For many businesses, emissions from transported goods make up a significant part of their Scope 3 footprint. Transport data flows from multiple systems in various formats and levels of detail, all of which need to be collected, organized, and standardized. Businesses need a way to convert this transport data into emissions metrics they can trust and use in reporting and decision-making. Understanding carbon accounting methodologies is essential, yet these standards vary across transport modes, fuel types, and vehicle types, including electrified transport. Reporting frameworks introduce additional layers of complexity. Companies need to find and apply the correct emission factors for each transport activity, which can be a daunting task without carbon accounting expertise. Climatiq's Freight feature is an API that automates this calculation process, offering a flexible back-end calculation engine for enriching transport data with trusted carbon emissions estimates. These insights can be integrated into software solutions and surfaced across logistics operations, empowering teams to make informed decisions with carbon in mind. The API allows you to use existing details from your records, such as origin, destination, transport mode, weight, and distance. This feature also supports multimodal and intermodal combinations, including road, rail, air, and ocean freight. You can even specify an electric vehicle for greater accuracy. In this demo, we'll explore a sample interface that could be built with our API to highlight how the Climatiq Freight feature powers carbon management and reduction for freight shipments across the supply chain. On the right, you can observe what's happening in the API as the user executes a carbon calculation. For this example, let's set up a sample shipment from Berlin to Rome using the postal code 00127. If you have a full address, you can use this, otherwise you can input anything from the IATA and UN codes to coordinates. In this case, we'll be transporting 20 tons of refrigerated goods, primarily via sea. Once the API query is complete, our calculation engine automatically selects the appropriate emission factors from sources like GLEC, delivering a detailed emissions breakdown for each journey leg, including smart detection and emissions estimations for logistics hubs. For air shipments, our engine will also include the radiative forcing factor, which accounts for the impacts of fuel burn in high altitudes. If we zoom in here, you can see that our routing algorithms automatically detect the nearest port. Although we didn't specify it in the query, it detects this along with the routing for each leg. These insights enable seamless comparison of different routes and shipment scenarios, such as modeling the carbon impact of switching a shipment from sea to road. Considering things like refrigerated cargo, logistics hubs, and electric trucks and vans, the Freight feature provides a new level of precision that allows you to achieve more accurate emission estimates. Finally, each calculation is supplemented with a comprehensive calculation source trail, detailing the specific emission factors used. This transparency ensures confidence in the reliability of our emissions estimates. As an accredited provider by the Smart Freight Center, Climatiq ensures all estimations align with the GLEC v3 framework and ISO 14083 standards. The Climatiq Freight feature makes it easy to enrich transport data and integrate precise real-time emissions estimates into any report, dashboard, or software tool, enabling data-driven and sustainable decision-making for logistics operations. Try it out today through our interactive demo.